Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Uh,
so we
so
were
we were
discussing on
discussing on
okay, we were
okay, we were
discussing on
discussing on
the
the
we were
we were
discussing on the
discussing on the
discussing on
discussing on
the
the
psychometric test as
psychometric
of
test
now.
as of now.
Next is
Next is
we have also
we have
discussed
also
about
discussed
the
about the
building a
building a
roadmap.
roadmap.
Uh,
Uh,
we were also
we were also
discussing about the
discussing about
building
the
a
building a
roadmap
roadmap
and
and
what are the
what are
skill
the
set
skill set
required. Also,
required
we have
also we
seen
have
as
seen
of
as
now.
of now.
And
And
also,
also,
once we
once
have
we have
a
a
defined
defined
skill
skill
set,
set,
defined
defined
based on the roadmap that is
that is
based on the
based on the
psychometric test,
psychometric test,
we have a
we have a
defined skill
defined
set,
skill set,
we have a
we have a
defined
defined
roadmap,
roadmap,
and
and
based on
based on
that we
that
need
we
to
need to
set a
set
goal.
a goal.
So we
So
can
we
set
can
a
set
goal
a goal
like a
like a
short-term
short
goal,
term goal,
mid-term
mid
goal,
term goal,
long-term
long
goal.
term goal.
So that
So that
is,
is
suppose
suppose
the
the
tests
tests
suggest a
suggest a
particular
particular
career one
career
need
one
to
need to
choose
choose
based on
based
the
on the
psychometric,
psychometric,
based on the
based on the
personality,
personality,
learning
learning
style,
style,
career
career
motivators,
motivators,
aptitude,
aptitude,
and
and
interest.
interests.
We
We
need
need
to
to
look
look
into
into
what are
what are
the
the
uh,
uh,
or
or
short-term
short
goals.
term goals.
Suppose
Suppose
it has
it has
suggested
suggested
that we
that we
need to
need
choose
to
a
choose a
particular
particular
career,
career,
like
like
choose a
choose a
particular
particular
career
career
in
in
medicine,
medicine,
or
or
choose a
choose a
career
career
in
in
IT,
IT,
or
or
choose a
choose a
particular in
particular in
non-IT
non-IT
sectors.
sectors.
We
We
need to
need to
look
look
into,
into
for
for
that
that
we
we
need to
need to
have a
have a
certain
certain
goals
goals
like a
like a
short-term
short term
goals,
goals,
mid-term
mid term
goals, and
goals,
a
and a
long-term
long term
goals.
goals.
Short-term
Short term
goals,
goals,
that
that
is,
is
we
we
need to
need
go
to
for
go for
internships.
internships.
Directly
Directly
we
we
have a
have a
contact with the
contact with the
industries.
industries.
We
We
need to
need to
take an
take an
internships,
internships,
and
and
also, if
also if
possible, we
possible we
need to
need to
go for
go
a
for a
certification
certification
courses,
courses,
because
because
there are
there are
so
so
many
many
online
online
certification
certification
courses
courses
available.
available.
We
We
need to
need
go
to
for
go
a
for a
certification
certification
courses
courses
as
as
well.
well.
And
And
uh, also,
also
uh, some
some
mini
mini
projects we
projects we
need to
need to
do.
do.
And
And
majority
majority
of the
of the short
short-term
term
goals,
goals,
which
which
can
can
be
be
achieved
achieved
while
when
you
you
are
are
studying
studying
in the
in the
college.
college.
That
That
is,
is,
you
you all
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 of
of
you
you
go
go
for an
for an
internship,
internship,
learn
learn
some
some
skill
skill
sets,
sets,
and
and
also,
also
if
if
not,
not,
do
do
some
some
online
online
certification
certification
courses,
courses,
and
and
you
you
do
do
certain
certain
projects,
projects,
mini
mini
projects,
projects,
which
which
will
will
enhance
enhance
your
your knowledge
knowledge, or based
based
on
on
a
a particular
particular
specialization.
specialization in which you were studying. And also, at the same time, we need to have a midterm goals, like we need to go for advanced training, specialization in particular sector, and also we need to look into some
Some cross
cross
domain
domain
projects.
projects.
Cross
Cross
domain
domain
projects
projects
are
are
nothing
nothing
but
but
internship projects,
internship projects,
interdisciplinary
interdisciplinary
projects.
projects.
These
These
interdisciplinary
interdisciplinary
projects
projects
will
will
be
be
uh,
uh,
can
can
be
be
like
like
a
a
civil
civil
engineering.
engineering.
If
If you're
you're doing a
doing a
major
major
project
project
in
in
civil
civil
engineering,
engineering,
you
you
can
can
choose
choose a
some
some
area
area
of
of
specialization,
specialization,
like
like
you
you
can
can
choose a
choose a
software
software
or
or
a
a
IT
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 sector
sector
in
in
which
which
you
you
can
can
use
use
electronics,
electronics,
sensors
sensors,
to
to
have a
have a
better
better
prediction
prediction
of
of
your
your
particular
particular
model,
model, physical
model
model
which you
which you
have
have
built.
built.
So
So
therefore,
therefore,
interdisciplinary
interdisciplinary
research
research
is
is
very
very
important.
important.
Nowadays,
Nowadays,
interdisciplinary
interdisciplinary
research
research
government
government
has
has giving more
doing
doing
more
more
encouragement
encouragement
to
to
do
do
interdisciplinary
interdisciplinary
projects, and
projects, and
also
also
the
the
government is
government is
giving a
giving a
good
good
funding
funding
opportunities.
opportunities.
Therefore,
Therefore, we should also have a we should not only particularly stick on a particular
specialization.
specialization. Like,
I am a
I am a
civil
civil
engineer. Okay,
engineer.
I have
Okay,
to
I have to
only look
only
into
look
civil
into civil
engineer.
engineer.
You
You
can
can
take do
take
a
do a
interdisciplinary
interdisciplinary
research or
research or
interdisciplinary
interdisciplinary
study
study
where you can
where you can
take
take a
information or
information, or
take a
take a
use of
use
a
of a non
IT
IT
sectors
sectors
like IT
IT
sector,
sector,
you
you
can
can
take
take
in
in
for
for
help
help
from
from
an
an
IT
IT
sector.
sector.
Like
You
you
can
can
use the
use the
sensors,
sensors,
other
other
technologies
technologies
which
which
will
will
add a
add a
value to
value to
your
your
core
core
sector
sector
of
of
study.
study.
And when you
And
have
when you have a
a long-term
long-term
goals, you
goals,
need to
you need
build
to
a
build a
niche.
niche.
You should have
You
a
should have a
thought
thought
leadership
leadership
or
or
entrepreneurship.
entrepreneurship.
Build a
Build a
niche.
niche. What
What
is
is
about
about
the
the niche?
niche?
Niche is
Niche
nothing
is
but
nothing but a
some
some
specialized
specialized
some
some
specialization
specialization
or
or
like
we can
we
say
can say
a
a
very
very narrow
narrow
specialization where
specialization where
very
very
few people
few
are
people are
addressing those
addressing those
uh,
uh,
problem.
problem.
So you have
So
to
you
look
have to
into
look into
identify the
identify the
niche,
niche,
and
and
also
also
can
you
become an
can become an
entrepreneur based
entrepreneur
on
based
if you
on
have
if you have an
identified the
identified
niche, you can
niche, you
build
can
your
build your
business.
business.
For have a
For have a
builders,
builders,
particularly
particularly
niche
niche is
is
much
much
more
more focusing
focusing
on
on
entrepreneurship,
entrepreneurship,
and
and nowadays we have a
several digital
several
coaching
digital coaching
agencies which will be
agencies which will
talking
be
about
talking
this
about this
niche
niche
clarity. So
clarity.
you have
So
to
you
have
have
a
to
niche,
have a niche,
and
and if
you
you
have
have
a
a clarity
clarity in
in
your
your
niche,
niche,
and
and
you
you
can
can
build your
build
business
your business
based on this
based on
niche.
this niche.
And
And
fourth step is
fourth step is
portfolio building.
portfolio
So
building.
you need
So you
to
need to will be
showcasing the
showcasing the
inner vision
inner
through
vision through
projects.
projects.
Like we have
Like we have
different
different
social
social
media
media
like
like
GitHub,
GitHub,
LinkedIn, or
LinkedIn,
any
or any
personal
personal
website,
website,
and you can
and you
attend
can
in a
attend in a
participating
participating
hackathon and other
hackathon and other
competitions.
competitions.
The idea
The
is
idea
if
is
you have a
if you have a
something
something
prototype ready with
prototype
you,
ready with you,
or some
or
project
some
ready with
project
you,
ready with you,
which
which can
can
immediately
immediately serve
serve the
people,
people,
or
or which can
add a
immediately
value
add
to
a
the
value to
people,
the people,
then
then
you can
you can showcase that in
social
a
media
social media
platforms.
platforms.
You can go for
You
a
can go for
patents
a
if it's
patents if it's
patentable,
patentable,
and at the same time
and
you
at the
can go
same
for
time you can go for
commercialization,
commercialization,
making
making those projects
those
those
prototypes to a
prototypes
real-time
to a real-time
products,
products,
and
and
do the
do the
sellability
sellability using
marketing
a
strategy.
marketing strategy.
So therefore,
So therefore,
the
the innovation
very
projects are
important.
very
And
important.
when we
And
talk about
when we
the
talk about the
projects, if you
innovation
have
projects,
any
if you have
prototype or
any
a product
prototype or a
ready,
product
you
ready,
need to be
you
looking
need to be
into
looking into
the
the
minimum
viable product.
viable
Minimum
product is
viable
nothing but
product is
if you
nothing
have a
but if you have a
prototype,
prototype,
you can
you
give
can
to
give
the people
to the people
and ask them to
and
test
ask them to
for
test
your
for
to
your
improve the
to
product
improve the product
based on the
based
feedback
on the
which you get it
feedback which you
from
get it from
uh,
uh,
the
the
people or
people
certain
or
selected
certain selected
population.
population.
You will take
You
the
will
feedback,
take the
improve the
feedback,
product,
improve the
then
product,
again you give to
then again
them,
you give to them,
then they
then they
will again
will again we will ask them to
do the
again
assessment.
do the assessment.
They
They
will
will
improve
improve
it
it,
and
and
they
they
give the
give the
feedback,
feedback,
and
and
we
we
can
can
improve
improve the
the
product.
product. Means
Means what is that?
intention is
Intention
with the
is
lesser
with the
budget we
lesser
can
budget we can
refine our product,
refine our
that is
product.
called the
That
minimum
is called the
viable product.
minimum viable product.
So this is about
So
the
this is
career
about
roadmap
the
building.
career roadmap building.
Next is
Next
building
is
a skills.
building a skills.
Next is building a
Next
skills,
is
that is
building a skills, that is
skills for innovation
skills
driver
for
careers.
innovation driver
So if you are a
careers.
technical
So
skills
if you are a
in
technical
the IT
skills
side, you
in
need
the
to have
IT side, you need to have a
coding, machine
coding,
learning,
machine
data
learning,
visualization,
data
software
visualization,
development.
software
These kind of
development.
skills you need
These
to
kind of
develop.
skills you need
And
to
in
develop.
non-IT side, you should
And
have
in
a
non-IT side, you should have
CAD,
an
or
CAD,
if you're a
or
structural engineer,
some if you're a
structural
structural engineer,
simulation,
structural simulation,
geotechnical simulation,
geotechnical
and
simulation.
also you
And
want to look
also you
into
want to
sustainability
look into
modeling.
sustainability
So government
modeling.
is giving much
So
more
government is
attention
giving much more
on
attention
sustainability
on
modeling. You need to
sustainability modeling.
look
You
into
need to
sustainability
look into
modeling.
sustainability
And
modeling.
also at the same time
And
you can
also at the same time you can
go for
go
interdisciplinary
for
skills, that
interdisciplinary
is
skills,
learning from
that is
adjacent
learning
domain
from
to
adjacent
enhance
domain to enhance
innovation.
innovation.
That is
That is
both
for both
non-IT students. non-IT students
Python
learning Python for
and
data-driven
even we
project.
know that
And
there are
even we
several
know that
publications,
there are several publications,
particularly BIM
BIM-related
related
building information
which
modeling,
uses the
which
technology of
uses the
AR and VR.
technology of AR and VR.
So AR and VR is nothing but
So AR and
augmented
VR is
reality
nothing but
and virtual
augmented reality
reality.
and virtual
So this is
reality.
this is an
So this
example
is
of
about this is an example of a
interdisciplinary research or
interdisciplinary research or interdisciplinary skills where
as a civil
we,
engineer, we
as a
use
civil engineer, we use
AR and VR, virtual
AR and
reality
VR,
and
virtual
augmented
reality
reality
and augmented
as a
reality
tool, and we
as
see
a
if the
tool,
building is
and we
modeled
see
in
if the building is modeled in
particular way, and I use an
particular way,
augmented reality.
and I
So it will
use
be
an
like a
augmented reality.
walkthrough
It will be like a walkthrough how
physically
it
how it
looks,
looks, how it
physically
feels
how it looks, how it
if I'm
feels,
inside the building. And the
if I'm
same
inside the building.
AR
And
and
the
VR can
same
be used
AR and VR can
in
be used
implementing
in implementing
the strategy for
the strategy for in
natural
case of any
disaster occurs, like a
natural
natural disaster
disaster
in the sense
occurs,
of
like a natural
earthquake
disaster in the
occurs.
sense of earthquake occurs.
What is the mitigation
What is
strategy?
the
What
mitigation
is the
strategy?
way which
What
we
is
can
the
escape
way
from
which
this?
we can escape from this?
Like earthquake studies
Like
and
earthquake
landslide studies.
studies
If
and
people
landslide
staying
studies.
in
See
the
people
hillock
staying in
areas.
the hillock
So
areas.
we can
So
look into
we can look into real
real life
life
simulations,
simulations, real life
and
situations,
we look into
and
the AR
we
and
look
VR,
into the
and
AR and
this
VR,
helps us
and
predict
this
better
helps us
and
predict
save
better and save
our we can
we
save
can
our lives
add
as well, and
we
save
can
not
save our
only
lives
lives,
as well, and save
also we
not
can
only
save
lives,
our
also we can save our
cost,
life
many aspects we
cost,
can
many
save.
aspects we can
So this is about the
save. So
innovation
this is about the innovations
in engineering and
in
non-engineering.
engineering and
So this is
non-engineering.
the we have come
So
to
this
the
is
end of
the we
the
have come to the end of the
presentation. If you have any doubt, please
presentation. If you have any doubt,
ask
please
the doubt.
ask the doubt.